Curious about how to get skin that not only looks younger, but behaves younger too? Spoiler alert, it's not all about that pricey cream. The real deal is what you eat. We're diving into collagen, the essential stuff that keeps your body together. After you hit 25, your collagen starts to drop by around 1% each year, and that's when the wrinkles begin to show up. But don't worry, you can turn back the clock. Before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated. We dish out nutrition tips every week, and you won't want to miss out on our anti-aging secrets. Let's look at the top 10 foods that can help boost your collagen naturally. First up, beets. A lot of people overlook these, but they're fantastic for keeping your skin youthful. They're loaded with antioxidants and nitrates that enhance blood circulation. Improved blood flow means your skin cells get more nutrients, giving you that lovely, healthy glow. Next, we got bone broth. This stuff is basically liquid collagen. Drinking it gives your body the amino acids it needs to keep your skin firm and elastic. Third on the list is fish and shellfish. Marine collagen is absorbed way better than other types, making a great choice for your skin. Number 4 is egg whites. They're packed with proline, which is crucial for making collagen. Now that we've covered proteins, let's talk about the activators, the foods that tell your body to start producing collagen. If you're enjoying this info, don't forget to subscribe and join the Maxinutrifacts community to stay in the loop. For the activators, here's the key. You can eat all the protein you want, but without vitamin C, your body can't create collagen. So, number 5 is citrus fruits like lemons and oranges. They're essential. Number 6 is berries, like strawberries and blueberries. They help protect the collagen you already have from getting damaged. Next up, tomatoes. They're rich in lycopene, which acts as a natural sunblock for your skin. 8th on the list is bell peppers. Believe it or not, they pack more vitamin C than oranges. Now, let's talk about the defenders. Number 9 is garlic, which is full of sulfur to help prevent collagen breakdown. And finally, number 10 is leafy greens, which are loaded with chlorophyll. Don't let your age determine your radiance. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you can keep up with our latest updates. Make sure to add these 10 foods to your shopping list this week and get ready to see a change in your skin.